तेलंगाना की न्यूज़ में अब तमाम के खैर मकदम में बढ़ते हैं। खबर के स्टेट ह्यूमन राइट कमीशन के चेयरमैन शमीम अख्तर पहुंचे आज गांधी हॉस्पिटल। बताया गया कि आज उन्होंने तमाम तर जायज़ा लिया। इस मौके पर फराहम की जाने वाली सर्विसेज का उन्होंने बारीकी से जायज़ा लेते हुए मशवरों से भी नवाजा। अगर अभी तक आपने ये चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो फौरी कर लें। आलमी मुल्क की रियासती मुकामी खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए आपका अपना चैनल तेलंगाना दिक्कत न्यूज़।
Liver leaving only 1/4 of the liver, but that time the liver reserve is very small. So I was just hiding. We are very fortunate to work in this place. The forensic person has given me. So we try to remove just the central part, and now we have 1/4 this side, 1/4 this side. So the liver reserve is good. So it doesn't have the risk of a liver transplant. So it Noon. Here.
Just have to see from outside also, sir. Last time I saw, I was only couple of officers, Gandhi is very good.
After getting one, so we make a collage and we can have a. So they like it grooms all our staff together. That our staff they feel that they are one of us.
It's coming as Children's Day, sir.
This is the way we. Yeah, this is a teratoma. So that the ventilator for 13 days. My superintendent said it is a story that we should tell to people that even in a government hospital, 13 days to ventilator.
What, 17 years? 17 days what?
17 days. And we even published it also. And it is all over the place now.
Lifelong they are. As doctors are done, the patient is done. They will complete it.
Gandhi is a temple of learning.
Good evening to all of you. My sister is Praveen, member, and brother Dr. Kishore, member, Human Rights Commission chairperson, myself, and superintendent of this hospital, Dr. Vani, my CEO and secretary, staff of the Gandhi Hospital, media, ladies secretary. I am very happy and fortunate to be here this evening. We have heard about the surgeries that are being performed in the hospital, but we don't have the opportunity to directly interact with the experts who conduct surgeries and grants so much of relief to the patients who were suffering from serious ailments. So today we have the opportunity to interact with the doctors working here, and they have appraised us the procedures that are being followed from stepping into the hospital to the time of discharge from this hospital. As far as the information that is furnished to us, here around every day hundreds of patients are coming over here, around 1500, taking treatment as outpatients, and in addition to that, around 350 patients every day coming here to get treated as inpatients. And almost all cases where there is a serious ailment, this hospital has super specialty, and all the patients are treated very well and returning home very happy. We had the opportunity to go around the ICU and different units in this hospital. This hospital is very well maintained, well equipped, and what we have come to know and personal experience is also that where in the outside, particularly in private hospitals, where patients are denied treatment on one reason or the other, as the ailment is very serious, they come to this Gandhi hospital and get treated, they are cured, they are going happily back to their houses. It's a very blessing for the patients, those who are suffering from serious ailments, when all the hospital doctors saying no outside, coming here getting treatment and recovering from that. And here also there is specialized care for the children, newly born children. So even a day baby, 17 days old babies and small infants are being treated. Crucial surgeries are being performed, and even the serious ailments which are there during the birth are being remedied. It's a very fortunate and great opportunity which was not available anywhere in the state. Here, so those kind of facilities are available. Dr. Vani, superintendent of this hospital, appraised all of us, to my members, to our CEO and all our three staff members about the functioning of the hospital. And I also thank you for coming over here and helping us, assisting us in due performance of our duties. So the very purpose of coming to this hospital is Section 12C of the Human Rights Protection Act mandates to the Commission to visit hospitals and conduct a study in relation to the conditions of the patients, environment, care that is being taken, medical facilities that are available, the strength, the staff of the hospital, and the relationship between the patients and the doctors, how the patients are being treated, and how the doctors are being praised, thanked for the services they render to the patients. It's a great opportunity. I thank you all for coming over here and extending support, lending support in this process. Thank you very much. And the Section 12C also mandates the Commission to submit a report to the government with regard to the functioning of the hospitals, jails, and so many other sectors. So, in consonance with that and fulfill the mandate given in the Act, we are here today. I thank you to the superintendent particularly, and also the other doctors who are very senior one, and they are giving classes, coaching, and attending super specialty students. So that's all a wonderful one. There are hundreds of students who are doing their PG, who are doing their super specialty. It's also, not only it's a hospital, it's an education center, a training center, and also it is beneficial to the society, to all of us. I wish the doctors here perform more and more good surgeries in the future. And the doctors have done wonderful surgeries which were not performed anywhere in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. That is the record of this hospital. I thank all the doctors for doing so much of wonderful surgeries. I thank you one and all, particularly to the media and all of you who are here. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Thank you.
Sir, doctor, sir.